Hi friends, welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. This is Sarah and thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate that you take the time to come to my craft room and see what's going on. I'm doing a funny thing with my mail these days where I go and I get it and I just kind of toss it in my car and leave it there for days. It's like my quarantine system. So I thanked these people when I received these packages, but I haven't peeked in them yet. And look at this one. This is from Melodi Made, and she's melodymade.com. And just take a look at this envelope. It took me a minute to figure out, well, more than a minute, because when I first got it out of the mail, I didn't inspect it carefully. I just kind of put it in quarantine and left it. So she put what I believe to be a napkin on the front of the envelope. So she custom made this envelope for me. Look at this, with blue glitter along the seam and a bit of silver glitter here and there. And I think this, doesn't that look like the edge of a napkin? I think it is. It is amazing. It's gorgeous. I might just hang it on the wall the way it is. So I snipped this open. I used my fancy letter opener. Whoa, look at this. This is beautiful, beautiful colors. Oh, they're Memdex. I didn't know that was a thing. They're like punch outs from Avery of Memdex. Let me read this and see what's, oh my gosh, there's so much neat stuff already. My brain can't even take it. May all your clouds have a silver lining. That is just the sweetest thing to say to somebody, isn't it? Okay, so Melodi has a Facebook group, and I forgot what it's called, but I mentioned it once before, and maybe I can find it and link to it in the description. And I've joined it, but I'm not very good at Facebook, you guys. I told Melodi she's gonna have to teach me. Facebook was something I did years ago, and then I just faded out. I do have a Facebook page, but they're so tied in with Instagram, it's fairly automatic now. So she said that she made me a digikit, like a digital kit with all sorts of blue in mind and inspiration. Oh my gosh, look at this. She was hoping it would inspire me. Yes, I'm inspired for sure. Oh my gosh, look at these beautiful papers. And these are printable. Oh, so you can print them beautifully on one side and then you write on, oh my gosh. I need to do some Memdex. I wanted to show my support for some other channels and send some in. These are really cool. So check out, she's melodymade.com, and she does kits, and she teaches people about junk journaling and has the Facebook group to help them grow, and that's what she does. So she's doing all kinds of cool stuff. This is just gorgeous. Can you guys see all the, there's like a musical note and a lot of script and different patterns and then butterflies going across the top of it. Really, really gorgeous. Wilson's very excited about it, so he's going to tell you. And I love these butterflies. Gorgeous. Super fun stuff. Maybe I'm going to need to get a printer, you guys. I'm going to have a great time with this Melodi. So what I'll probably do is I'll set this aside, and this will be an upcoming project, and I'll play with these a little bit and show you guys what I made. Ooh, that's going to be a gorgeous envelope. So much fun. But this envelope is a knockout. Absolutely gorgeous. It would not have occurred to me to take a super pink napkin and put it on an envelope and mail it to Ty. It just wouldn't have occurred to me to do the outside of the envelope with a napkin. Will you tell me for sure, Melody, if that's what it is? Or maybe it's wrapping paper? I don't know, but either way, it's gorgeous and I wouldn't have thought of it. And did you use like a gel medium or a Mod Podge? Super cool. I love it. And I'm always talking about decorating the outside, so thank you very much, Melody. Okay, this is from my friend Tosha. Tosha is a date with my craft room here on YouTube. She gets sidetracked and she doesn't always make videos, but she has a channel with content on it. And we are not that far apart geographically, so we've met up a couple times and shopped, but clearly that's not an option for us right now, so that's a bummer. But we'll make our rounds when it's, oh my gosh, make our rounds when it's time. Do you see that blue right there? You guys have glare. I'll zoom you in a little so you can see what I'm excited about. Oh, this is so pretty. Lovely. Look at that. She's got her envelope all decorated for a friend. Pretty washi tape. She makes amazing cards. Are you ready? Oh my gosh. Birds of a feather. Let me get you all focused. Birds of a feather flock together. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Tosha might have to help us with some more information. I'm going to adjust the lights a little because it's important. So white embossing, and is it maybe markers? Look at the detail there. It looks like maybe she did like zig markers or watercolor, but look at this peacock. Noni, are you looking at this? Oh my gosh. And then she's got jewels all the way. She's got jewels all the way around there. Look at that. And then one in the eye. And of course, she's got it all mounted up nice. Wow. And I love the purple card base. That's gorgeous. Let me get you back a bit so you can see. I feel like sometimes my autofocus isn't so auto on my fancy new phone. She says, just wanted to say hi, hope all is well, and here are some goodies she'd been meaning to send me. That's funny because I've been tidying and I found some stuff that I had for her that I completely forgot I had. Whoa. These are called wishing. Whoa. These are called wishing bubbles, and they're from 49th and Market. I haven't seen these at all. They're epoxy-coated sticker embellishments. So they almost, up close, they look like a clear enamel dot on top of the image of water, and then they're popped up. See that? Really, really, really cool. And then some of them are flat. So on your project, you're going to have a lot of variety. Those are neat. I have not seen those. Oh my gosh. Indigo and ivy. You'll have to tell me, Tosha. Did you find this? Do you have one of these? Because I got this for you, and then I found it in the cupboard because clearly it's still at my house. So if you don't have one of these and you want it, because I know how you love to have the whole collection, I'll send it to you. So let me know. And I have some other stuff to.
Remember?
Do you remember? I got these for you. I totally forgot. I found them in the drawer. Okay. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Indigo and ivy. True story. This is the ephemera pack. So what I would do with this is I would open it up and I would put stickles and Wink of Stella all over it, lay it out, and just sparkle it up and then set it aside to dry. Oh, she's got some doilies in here. I have not seen this paper up close. I think I saw it on her channel only, and then she told me that she got me one, so then I felt better. Or maybe somebody else showed it. I don't know, but I was just looking for it and losing my mind, and then she told me that she had purchased one for me. Now, as far as getting my 6x6 paper pad countdown, well, I better get to it because my sweet friends keep getting things for me. Okay. Let's take a look, people. Some of you have probably seen this in person. Oh my gosh. So pink paisley, this is pink paisley. It's usually single-sided, and their strips are a different paper in the pad. So I always save it, but you know, you cut it off clean because you can't expand the size of it or anything. But I save those and use them, of course. And I usually just cut the strip here and the strip here, and I don't keep the punched part. Look at that. And butterflies. Ooh, that's just a neat creamy texture. I got the sticky parts on the side still. Like that one. That kind of reminds me of Auburn Lane, right? This paper right in here. Yep, that one. Here too. I don't like the gold so much. I would definitely use that as a background paper or cover it with something. Oh my gosh. Okay. I like that one. That one's good. That's a nice, it's like a really creamy wood grain. Very light. Oh, love that. And I want to see that. Let's find that one. Oh my gosh. Love it. It's kind of purpley, kind of purple blue tones. And that one, that's a nice one too. Love it. Gorgeous. I think that's a black and white. Really nice. This one I probably would use for die cutting. I might use the more saturated color part of it as a background, but if you get the two washed out part, it doesn't show quite as well. Ooh, love the fun stripe and the green. Oh, the tags are great. Do more of what you love. Top 5. Love this life. Keep dreaming. You make me happy. Choose happy. Be authentic. Simplify. Follow your heart. Good times. Special moments. Remember this. Today may not feel awesome, you guys, but there's going to come a time when you're going to think, that didn't suck so much. Okay, then it repeats. So that's really, I like it. It's really fun, Tasha. I can see why you were like, yeah, you need to have it. Love it. Might need to put that into the rotation for paper pad selections pretty soon, but we're already started for May, I think. Okay, thank you ladies both so much. I am super excited for all this wonderful blue inspiration that you have sent me. And you guys should never, ever, ever feel like you have to send me anything. I am not having any shortage of products here. I will be fine even if we're stuck at home for quite a bit longer. And I just really appreciate that. I appreciate that you watch my channel so much. You know exactly what I will like. So thank you. And I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.